Imagine a world where you could access the brilliance of Nikola Tesla, one of the greatest inventors in human history. What if I told you that Tesla had a remarkably simple sleep technique that allowed him to unlock a continuous stream of mind-boggling ideas every single night? It's a true story, and today we are going to dive deep into the extraordinary life of Tesla, explore his hidden secrets, and unveil this powerful technique that transformed the way he thought about sleep forever. So get ready to awaken your mind, harness the energy of the universe, and open the gateway to unlimited creativity. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the tools to manifest your wildest dreams and tap into the vast cosmic intelligence. Welcome back to our channel, where we are passionate about exploring fascinating stories and uncovering life-transforming insights. Today, we embark on an awe-inspiring journey into the world of Nikola Tesla, a visionary whose contributions to science and technology continue to shape the modern world. However, amidst the well-documented accolades, we shall delve into a lesser-known facet of Tesla's life, a hidden secret that transcends the boundaries of conventional wisdom. Throughout his illustrious career, Tesla's name has become synonymous with revolutionary inventions such as alternating current wireless communication and countless other groundbreaking discoveries that have propelled society into a new era of progress. Yet, it is often overlooked that Tesla's unparalleled brilliance was not merely a result of his innate talent or relentless dedication to his work. What set Tesla apart from the rest was his remarkable ability to tap into the vast cosmic reservoir of knowledge that surrounds us all. This ability to connect to a wellspring of ideas and insights was not a chance occurrence. Rather, it was a skill honed and practiced each and every night through a simple yet profoundly effective sleep technique. Today, we lift the veil on this hidden secret, Tesla's nightly ritual that enabled him to access a realm of information beyond human comprehension. Through this technique, he transformed his sleep into a gateway of inspiration, a conduit to the universe's collective intelligence, and a source of limitless creativity. As we unravel the elements of Tesla's sleep technique, we shall discover how you, too, can awaken the dormant genius within and embark on a journey of unparalleled discovery and achievement. To understand Tesla's profound sleep technique, we need to envision our brains as sophisticated antennas tuned in to receive cosmic energy and knowledge from a vast universal source. Tesla once said, "My brain is merely a receiver in the vast universe where knowledge flows from a core source." This statement implies that there is a higher intelligence, a wellspring of information, from which we can draw inspiration and innovative ideas. To gain further insight into this concept, let's explore Bob Proctor's analogy of the brain as an electronic switching station. Just like a computer operates through electrical currents and software, our brains function through neural networks and electrical signals. Think of it like a computer that connects to Wi-Fi, accessing an invisible field of information spanning the entire globe. In a similar way, Tesla's sleep technique involves connecting our brains to an unseen energy field, a cosmic Wi-Fi, where the answers to our most profound questions and our greatest ideas reside. Each night, as you prepare to drift into slumber, take a moment to set clear intentions for what you want to achieve or discover. Picture your brain as an antenna, finely tuned to a specific frequency, allowing you to access a new realm of information. By doing this, you expand your bandwidth of knowledge, opening yourself up to receive answers that are specifically tailored to your intentions and desires. It's akin to connecting your brain to an expansive Wi-Fi network, tapping into a vast expanse of invisible information. To enhance this process, consider incorporating a sleep audio track that utilizes different brainwave states. These brainwave states can heighten the effectiveness of your intentions, helping you access the superconsciousness just as Tesla did every night. Tesla's secret to generating groundbreaking ideas was both simple and brilliant. Before retiring to bed, he would place a notepad and pen or pencil next to his bedside. Each evening, he would write down his desires, challenges, and questions that sought answers. As he drifted into sleep, these thoughts were imprinted into his subconscious mind. The magic happened in the morning when he woke up. On that notepad, he would find inventions, solutions, and extraordinary ideas written as if someone had visited his room during the night and delivered these brilliant insights. That someone, Tesla believed, was the superconsciousness, a field of knowledge accessible to all of us. So, follow Tesla's lead. Write down your aspirations, your questions, and the hurdles you face. Keep the notepad within arm's reach as you sleep. In the middle of the night, you may awaken with a flash of inspiration or a moment of clarity. Don't ignore these precious moments. Instead, quickly jot down those ideas on the notepad. This simple act of capturing your thoughts is the key to unlocking the gateway for a continuous flow of brilliant ideas. Imagine you're an aspiring entrepreneur with a dream to create a successful online business. Before you sleep, set the intention to find innovative ways to grow your business. As you access the superconsciousness, you might awaken with ideas for new products, unique marketing strategies, or partnerships that can catapult your business to new heights. If you're facing a career challenge or seeking a promotion, write down your aspirations and goals before sleep. As you tap into the universal knowledge, you may wake up with a clear plan of action or a compelling argument to present during a crucial meeting. Artists, writers, and musicians can also utilize this technique to break through creative blocks. Set the intention to access new ideas and inspirations related to your art form. You might wake up with a beautiful melody, an engaging storyline, or an innovative brushstroke technique that you've never considered before. Are you struggling to solve a complex problem? Write down the problem and your desired outcome before sleep. As you access the superconsciousness, you may awaken with fresh perspectives, innovative solutions, or even a eureka moment that leads you to the answer you've been seeking. Now that you've learned about Nikola Tesla's nightly secret, it's time to take action and experience the wonders that await you. Remember, greatness doesn't come to those who simply dream. It comes to those who dare to take that first step. Spend those 30 seconds every night before sleep to apply Tesla's sleep technique. Embrace the power of the superconsciousness and watch as your life transforms before your very eyes. Thank you for joining us on this extraordinary journey into the mind of Nikola Tesla and his remarkable sleep technique. If you found this video enlightening, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. As we conclude, remember to keep dreaming big, pushing boundaries, and exploring the endless possibilities that lie within you. By using Tesla's sleep technique, you can unlock the gateway to a continuous flow of brilliant ideas and tap into the universal knowledge that is accessible to each one of us. Until we meet again, keep watching, keep learning, and keep embracing the power of your mind to achieve greatness.